Are you tired of juggling multiple marketing tools? MPICS Digital is here to change that. We provide customized CRM solutions that simplify operations and accelerate growth. Imagine streamlining your business with our all-in-one platform, tailored for both tech-savvy and those less inclined. Why struggle with high monthly costs? Building an in-house team can total over $26,000 monthly. Partner with us for just $2,880 and save big. What do you get? First, effortless social media management. Manage multiple platforms from one powerful dashboard. Second, powerful analytics that show you what's working and what's not. Third, our 24/7 AI assistance ensures that you never miss a lead or client inquiry. What makes us stand out? Unlike others, we offer a risk-free, 30-day money-back guarantee. With MPICS Digital, you have everything you need to automate and grow your business. In just one day, launch your professional website. For only $150, get a single-page site, or for $250, opt for up to 4 pages. Don't let your business get buried in tech overwhelm. Experience seamless integration and automated lead generation now. Choose your perfect plan today. Start with our business standard plan at just $69 per month, including emails, CRM, marketing tools, and more, all with a 7-day free trial. Take action. Visit MPICS Digital to elevate your business today at www.mpicsdigital.co.uk or drop an email, ask@mpicsdigital.co.uk. Your growth awaits. Are you tired of struggling to achieve your goals? Imagine a solution that transforms your dreams into reality. Introducing our game-changing product, designed for you. It's time to unlock your potential and start thriving. Experience unmatched support, tailored strategies, and proven results. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to success. What sets us apart? Our community-driven approach fosters real connections. You won't just be another user, you'll be part of a family. Join countless others who have found their path to achievement. Are you ready to take the leap? Don't wait. Click the link below and start your journey today. Success is waiting for you. Let's make it happen now.